aluminum foil in your toilet and watch what happens, but first let's head on over to the Dollar Tree just in case you don't have any of these items handy. Grab yourself some tin foil or aluminum foil, whatever you want to call it here, from the dollar store, and we're going to head on out and I'm going to show you some really clever tricks I got up my sleeve. Before we talk about this, I have something even more clever for you. This is also from the Dollar Tree. It's actually for your spoons and silverware. Grab a Dollar Tree spray bottle and fill it with rubbing alcohol, or you could grab some hydrogen peroxide. That you would not want to put in a clear container. Let that saturate for about an hour. Squeaky clean, give them a good rinse. Let them completely dry before putting them away back into a dark area. Do you ever hear a rattling sound when you come on and off your toilet? I got a solution for you. Now your lid is securely on there. Use as much or as little as needed. If you find that your soap gets stuck to your tray and then it leaves all this mess, you certainly could try the rubber band trick, but then you gotta balance the soap on the rubber bands. Try this instead. No more stick. Here's how you take it up a notch. Your very own homemade dish. You could also use this when you go camping. If you need a cup while camping and you don't have one on hand, this is an excellent alternative. By the way, all of this is recyclable. Line any area that you need to protect the bottom surface area. Much like sanitizing your toothbrushes, you can also sanitize your toilet brushes. Lay flat in your suitcase or backpack, and no longer will your jewelry get tangled when you travel. Don't have a plastic bag on hand? You can use this trick when you're traveling to prevent your items from escaping or exploding all over your suitcase or backpack. If you struggle with hard water deposits or mineral buildup, you can also cover this area with some aluminum foil to prevent further buildup. Now, you may have seen some videos on the internet telling you to put aluminum foil balls inside your toilet tank. My friend, this will do absolutely nothing. It's a waste of your time. In fact, check down here, you can see it will void your warranty if you put anything inside of your toilet tank. So here's an alternative option for you to make sure that your toilet stays cleaner for longer. Grab some of this, The Works Classic Clean from your Dollar Tree, just $1.25. What you want to do is put this in your toilet. It works amazing. Let it sit for 10 minutes. You'll see a little goes a long, long way. This is also recommended by many of you on this channel. Once that's sat for 10 minutes, give it a good scrub. I do this every single day. I have 2 little boys, and it literally takes me no time at all. That's why my toilet stays this clean. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.